All right, I'm gonna show you how to make this roasted tomato sauce. First, you're gonna need to core and halve your tomatoes. This recipe's super easy, but it's important that you're using good quality ingredients for it. So you want nice and ripe, in-season tomatoes, ideally. Put to one side. All right, next up, slice the shallot. 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. Just roughly chop these. Now, take your tray, drizzle with olive oil in with your shallots and your garlic. You're gonna season with flaky salt and some pepper. Then you're just gonna place the tomatoes this side down. Just nestle them all in there. That's then going in your oven at 200 degrees centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Woo. Okay, so I just pulled these guys out of the oven. I'm gonna add fresh oregano and fresh basil. Nice, okay. Then that goes back in the oven for a final 10 minutes. Ooh, all right, there you go. Wait for this to cool down just a little bit, and then you'll be able to just remove the skins of the tomatoes with your hands. Finally, you're gonna chuck everything in a blender or food processor. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, and a little squeeze of maple syrup. Pulse the blender a few times. All right, there you go. There's my roasted tomato sauce. It's great with pasta dishes, as a pizza base, all sorts. Or if you're anything like me, just a heavily buttered piece of bread.